The question number 6 is about sample proportion, and it's the sample proportion of households living in a suburb that have solar panels. From a sample, we know the 95% confidence interval is this. Find the value of p hat. Well, p hat will be dead middle, because what we're saying about the 95% confidence interval is that we range from 0.04 all the way up to 0.16, and dead middle should be p hat. So p hat's going to equal 0.04 plus 0.16 on 2, which is 0.2012, which is 0.1. P hat equals 0.1. Use z equals 2 to the approximate 95% confidence interval. So if this was the confidence interval, find the sample size n. So my upper limit, which is 0.16, will be p hat 0.1 plus 2 lots of 0.1 times 1 minus 0.1, 0.9, all on n. Solve for n. If I move the 0.1 over, that gives me 0.06, and if I divide by 2, 0.03 equals the square root of 0.09 on n. 0.09 on n equals this squared, 0.0009. So n will be 0.09 divided by 0.0009, which will be 100. N equals 100. A larger sample size is selected, with the sample size 4 times the original sample. The sample proportion, p hat, has not changed. By what factor will this increase affect the width of the confidence interval? Okay, so p hat is in the middle. My confidence interval goes from my lower limit to my upper limit, which used to be 0.04 through to 0.16, and that increase factor was determined by p hat plus 2 lots of the square root of p hat, 1 minus p hat, all over n. But n is now 4n. So if that's going to be 4n, therefore it's going to increase by a factor of 1 on the square root of 4, which would be 1/2. Therefore, it will be halved. That's what's going to happen to the confidence interval.